Same ones we had on our Humvees, never thought I'd buy my own. Rock solid for only a few bucks more than the cheap parts store crap. Going on the son's vehicle so I never have to worry. Edit picked up a used Tacoma last week. First thing I did to it other than a new intake tube and seafoam was the big three, and these go right along with that work as they lend themselves to heavy cables so well. Oversized and rugged with good power flow. Great product and looks great. Went this route versus buying new battery cables for a diesel truck at the tune of $175. Saved a bunch rebuilding instead of replacing cables. Bolt could be a bit shorter to fit under the cover nicely, but other than that, they're perfect. I run a lot of accessories and needed battery clamps with more oomph. This fits the bill. They are good, but screws for cables are bit big. I have to open hole in my cable connectors to fit these in Tacoma. It was easy. Factory clamps quit clamping tight. These are the only way to go. Can't beat them, especially for the dollar. Look to be good. Haven't installed yet. I like the colored caps. Very happy with this style of clamp. Used to sets on a dual battery install in my Polaris Ranger. Very clean and low profile, unlike marine-style terminals. Click link in description for more reviews.